The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean. It covers 20% of Earth's surface and about 29% of its water surface area. The Atlantic Ocean got its name from the ancient Greek god Atlas. The Atlantic Ocean washes all the continents except Asia and Australia. Data from the U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration shows that during 2012, the ocean temperature hits 14 degrees Celsius, the highest ever recorded. Over the past 30 years, the temperature was under 12.4 degrees. Atlantic Ocean is the saltiest ocean in the world. The Denmark Strait Cataract is the world's biggest underwater waterfall, located between Greenland and Iceland in the North Atlantic Ocean. Gulf Stream is a warm and swift Atlantic Ocean current. This current influences much the climate of Europe and northwestern Africa. The Bermuda Triangle is a region in the western part of the Atlantic Ocean in which ships, planes, and people are alleged to have mysteriously vanished. The Sargasso Sea, located entirely within the Atlantic Ocean, is the only sea without a land boundary. The Atlantic Ocean provides about 40% of world's fish.